Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Edgewonk, a powerful trading journal. Let's get started. First, sign up for an Edgewonk account and log in. Once inside, you'll see the dashboard where you can track your trades and analyze performance. Start by importing your trades manually or by connecting to a broker. Edgewonk will then generate detailed reports based on your trading history. Next, use the custom tags feature to categorize trades. This helps in identifying patterns and mistakes. You can also set up journaling notes to keep track of emotions and decision-making for each trade. One of the best features of Edgewonk is the tilt meter, which helps monitor emotional biases in trading. There's also a simulator that allows traders to test different strategies based on past performance. Once you've analyzed your trades, review the performance metrics to improve your strategy. Consistently tracking your trades in Edgewonk can help refine your approach and increase profitability. That's it for this video. Thanks. Easy-to-understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.